In this video, I'll be doing initial test on my USB powered charger and BMS circuit. I started by testing the overvoltage and undervoltage protection. As the input voltage increases past the overvoltage threshold, the output is cut from the input. As the input falls below the undervoltage threshold, the output is again separated from the input. Since both the cutoffs are working correctly, I will now connect a load to the output and measure the battery's voltage. When I connect the LED, there should be a small change in the battery's voltage. This LED draws about 600 milliamps, and you can see that the battery is supplying the power to the LED. Now that I know that current can flow from input to output, I will now try to drive a much larger load. As you can see, the battery's voltage drops a lot more with the motor, which pulls around 2.5 amps at no load. The circuit can power the motor even with the large initial current draw to get it spinning. When loading the motor, it will pull around 4 amps, which this circuit has no problem supplying. This circuit was designed to handle 10 amps, but for now I want to test the circuit further before trying larger loads. And now that I'm comfortable with the current test, I will try charging the battery next. And when I plug the USB in, the battery starts charging. I also tested the output voltage while charging just to be safe. It was such a relief to see the LED come on and the voltage begin to rise. Next, I will put a thermometer on the heatsink to make sure the charger doesn't get too hot. When I plug in the USB, you can see the temperature start to rise. The charger IC is linear, so there will be a fair amount of heat to be dissipated. And while measuring the temperatures, I realize that the heat is going to be a problem and I need to alter the PCB to accommodate that. Although the IC does get toasty, it is nowhere near the limit for the chip or the board material. And since nothing blew up, I will continue to test until my new boards arrive. Well, that's it for this video. I had a lot of fun testing the prototype circuit. There are quite a few design flaws, but it does function and that's really exciting. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have plenty of other projects planned and I'm really excited for what's to come this year. Please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos and have a great day.